Look, who's here?
Hey, Gene and Matt. How have you been?
Hey, Ethan. How have you been?
Long time, Ethan. By the way, I am really excited to see your new products. Must be busy with all the prep work, huh?
Definitely busy. The products are ready, but I'm facing few challenges with the product photos. Trying to get that perfect look for the website and social media is tougher than I thought.
Oh, what seems to be the challenge? I may have something that could help you.
You do. Please tell me what. I am all ears.
I think you need something flexible, cost-effective, and easy for anyone to use, right? There's an AI tool I've come across that could be the solution. It simplifies product photography, making it accessible even if you are not a pro. Though, like any tool, it's not without its limitations.
An AI for product photography. That sounds intriguing but also a bit daunting. What are the limitations and is it complicated to use? Plus, what makes the paid plan worth it?
It's quite user-friendly. Starting is as simple as signing up at www.Flair.ai and creating a new project. As for the limitations, users have noted that it can sometimes slow down during long sessions, and while the UI is straightforward, it might not be the most advanced out there. Despite these quirks, the tool's capacity for easy and unlimited image generations, free background removal, and its array of editing features make it a standout option.
I see, but what about customization? Can I make the images truly fit our brand?
Absolutely. The AI offers a variety of templates and elements to choose from. You can drag and drop different elements to create a unique look. The paid plan, though just one aspect of the tool, unlocks even more templates, high-resolution downloads, and advanced editing features. But even without it, the tool is quite powerful.
What about the AI-generated aspects? Do they look authentic?
Most of the time, yes. But occasionally, you might notice that some elements can feel a bit artificial. The key is to play around with the settings and maybe tweak the default prompts. It's generally great for creating social media posts and product listings.
This sounds promising. Consistency, quality, and the ability to quickly adapt for new products without a huge time investment. It seems like a balanced tool, despite its few downsides.
Exactly. And remember, downloading your final image is just a click away, with the option to select image quality based on your needs. While the paid plan offers additional perks, the core features are robust enough for most needs.
Thanks, Jen. I'm going to dive into this today. It sounds like exactly what we need to streamline our product photography and enhance our online presence, keeping in mind the limitations.
Anytime, Ethan. I'm here if you have any questions. Can't wait to see how your product images turn out.